Man, what happening? What's going on? Matt 10, I'm back again. We got this car show, you feel me? Car show day. We got all the cats, all the cats out here, you feel me? Crazy shit going on, bro, you feel me? Man, what y'all got going on?
So with the food?
Ain't nothing.
Y'all have
Yeah,
that
my
shit, you
nigga
know what I'm saying?
A lot of shit out here, you feel me? My nigga Ty.
What you broke, bitch?
Yeah, I remember your name.
What
I'm
up?
hood. Yeah, bro, we got modded shit out here, scants shakers, we got Cat, Durango, 5 Sims, all that, you feel me?
You're not too demon though, right now.
Do not too demon?
Yeah.
Hey, look at it though. It's nice. Real talk, man.
They got 917 wood power, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck is that?
Don't let the badge fool you, bro. Don't let the badge fool you. Nah, for real, don't let the badge fool you. But yeah.
That bitch look good though. You got the jailbreak hood, red eye rim. That might be something. They got that bitch. I know that might be something.
Feel me, bro? But yeah, they got some good shit out here, bro. Going on today.
Oh God.
This nigga finna be one on you.
You say one on
this.
You gonna have one of these.
Yeah.
Boy.
So,
We next up.
yeah, bro. Goddamn.
Gotta be next up, bro.
Y'all stay tuned though. Let me show y'all this cat though. Hear me, bro. You got the LED. You got the LED SRT. You got the red lights. Brembo ramp. Remember, brakes, all that, you know, that come with it, but new tires too. That thing look like new tires too. Feel me? Yeah, you see the wraps and stuff. Scat paint car seat. It's exclusive.
1320 Mopar edition, you know what I'm saying? Real deal. The big go about 230.
Hey, bro. Got my nigga King. Got that 5.7. Feel me? The yellow light highlights. You know, the Batman going on. The Batman seats. All that. Yeah. 845. Then we got the SRT Durango, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't see too many. First of all, you ain't gonna see too many of these out here, feel me? There was one. It's a Hellcat Durango at the dealership, but you don't see too many SRT Durangos, bro. You know, and this thing it look nice too. Then you got another scat. Got another scat over here. Green, you know what I'm saying? The goosebump thing. Goosebump thing. It's a Daytona, matter of fact. Daytona. You know? But yeah. There go that cat. Man, y'all check out this Wild by the Cat though, bro. Y'all check out this Wild by the Cat. Man, it's not a lot of these in the city, bro. It's not a lot of these in the city, bro. Wild by the Cat, bro.
Yeah. So, not put the Hellcat beside the Hellcat.
Real cat, bro. Real cat.
Right here. I'm trying to leave space for people to walk around. I'll put you right here.
But that's that Wild by the motherfucker. That's that Wild by the Cat right there, girl. What you said it was, man?
It's a Hellcat jailbreak.
Okay, jailbreak wide body, bro.
Jailbreak
Yeah.
17.
200 on the dash, bro. Red seats, feel me?
22. It's 23, it's the last call.
Yeah, man. He got everything in it. You feel me? It's jailbreak. You see jailbreak right there.
Oh yeah, it was. I got it about a month ago.
Jailbreak, man. You feel me?
It's got 3K on it right now.
But yeah, bro.
What you
I
got?
see it.
I got my truck in the crib. I just came out here.
You see the blacked out light, you see the tinted headlight. Man, look at this though. On the man, check out this superstar though, man. We got the superstock over here. It just pulled up. This shit inspirational, folks. Hey man, y'all see what's going on, bro. We got cats on cats on cats. Narrow body cat, wide body jailbreak cat. Then we got the superstar right here.
It's a decal right there.
Man, y'all see this right here. Yeah, man. Mr. Shine. Wide body scat. He even got the carbon fiber. He got the carbon fiber gas cap, bro. Carbon fiber door handles. Feel me? JLT intake. All this shit nice as fuck, bro. Got the half wrap Daytona right here. And it's crazy because I actually want a Daytona. I want to kind of build on it, you feel me? But I don't know. I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to get what I want. There's a few Daytonas out here. Actually, you see this one, then the other green one over there. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, it's a one more part right there, y'all. Got the SRT8, I think it is. Then you got the big body TRX over there. That's that Trans Am trim right there. Ooh, big body TRX right here. Yeah, man, y'all see how the cars lined up. 601 Mopar. Feel me? This rap really hard for real. I cannot cap. Hey man, what trim is this? What's the trim on this?
Man, that's an 06.
06.
06 RT.
RT.
Got a little suit to it.
Okay. Yeah, I like that rap right there. That's real unique. How you do it? You got the other RT. Rims hard for real. Hey, this real hood finest, bro. Like, a lot of people don't know. Like, you from the South, niggas, they do shit to a car like this. But the rims, the wrap, all that. You feel me? Another RT, the race stripes on it. All right. Got scat pad. Everybody scat pad. They got Trans Am trim right here. Feel me? Trans Am right here. Challenge. And you got the I think it's just 5.7 Hemi right here. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 5.7 RT. But they like I can't remember the year. I don't want to say something that sounds slow, but I just know it's early or it's old rather. And then you got the big body TRX, feel me? $100,000 truck, man. $100,000 truck, big body. Big body TRX, man. Y'all see it, and not the fake TRX. 6.2 liter supercharged, you feel me? So, it's a lot going on out here, man. Y'all just stay tuned, you feel me? Y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on, bro. They really got these things out. And we got the wide body convertible cat. A wide body convertible cat. Nice ass rims right there. Hey man, y'all heard what he said, free your thug, bro. Y'all see the camo, remind me of Young Dog, you feel me, long leg dog. Got the brown rims, brown factory rim, wide body cat. Ain't got the Hellcat logo on the side, you feel me? Oh, this thing nice here, man. This thing nice. Remind me of Young Dog. Y'all see that, man? Red eye. It ain't nothing crazy, man. I ain't never seen this many cats in my life, you feel me? Be in the hood. All my years in the hood, I ain't never seen this many cats in my life, you feel me, man? Y'all see it, wide body red eye. Go follow me on Instagram. I am Mr. 345. Yeah, man. Got the scat, blue scat, that thing nice. Now we got the shaker. It be hella nice right here. They probably, oh, on the Forgiatos. That thing on Forges. I said Mopar Mafia right here, man. Mopar Mafia. Y'all hear that motherfucker, bro? Mustang loud for no reason. Mustang loud for no reason. Y'all see another cat, bro. White and red. Oh my God. Y'all see it, bro. Woo! Y'all see it, bro. I think this was a 2012 SS. I know my daddy had one. But yeah, y'all hear it, Cam, no catch. I think I'm gonna try to find out right now. But we got the SRT Hellcat Durango, folks, and it's towing something. We don't know what's in there, but it's something. Y'all stay tuned, bro. Y'all stay tuned. And then we got them over there. They coming. Huh? I'm just really showing y'all all these clips of all these cars coming in, man. See, so y'all bear with the transitions and stuff. Y'all just bear with me. Got the SS out here.
What's up, man? How nigga you walking out here? Hey, get out of my way! Man.
Boy, this finna get so many views. This finna get so many views.
Send me your footage. Oh, you on live?
It's gonna it's gonna go on.
It's going on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Y'all see what it is? Oh yeah, that's 170 right there. Yeah, that's 170 right there. It's wide body in the back, narrow in the front. Yup. Man, 170, chat. 170 right here. So this who bought it? Shit, damn, just like me. He ain't that slow. Ever since I graduated, life just got better. I'm telling you, ever since I graduated, life just got better. Oh, you got the Wi-Fi, huh? Hey, look, Demon 170. the eye on that, bro? Y'all see the eye? Yellow eye. Look at man. Y'all don't know what this is. What that's an alcohol injection. That's not the regular eye. That's a yellow eye right there. Demon 170, man. Narrow in the front, wide body in the back. Do y'all see what this is? A lot of y'all might not even understand what this is, bro. But this sounds special right here. This one of a kind car right here, man. This one of a kind car right here. I'm telling y'all, it damn near don't get no better than this. Unless you got you Viper 8. Look, he don't even got this. The seat's not even unwrapped yet, bro. He just bought this. Man, look at this, bro. Man, y'all see what we got going on still, man. We got the box Chevy. We got the red eye jailbreak. I don't even remember the trim of this, but it's something serious. Turbocharged, bro. It's turbocharged. Then, you know what I'm saying? We got the cat, narrow body cat. Yeah, man. We got everything, man. And we got what this is right here. This old Dodge right here. 170, boy. 170. Y'all see that? That ain't regular right there. Everything 50% better. This ain't nothing to play with, man. This ain't nothing to play with, y'all. Man, you know what this is, Maddox? Man, it's a Demon 170, bro. You see that right there? It say, boy, 1 of 1. This 1 of 1 right here. 1 of 1. Oh, you like it right here? Oh yeah, it's that Daytona right here. What? You been sliding, ain't it? Yeah. I don't know. You can see it. I was like the man. That nigga said, hurt. He said, I barely heard that motherfucker. I couldn't hear it. That's all I heard of that shit. He ain't got no real though. That's what I'm saying. That real. You said that big on the $9,000
What you mean? We know, Joe, come on now. We ain't got to do no vote shit.
We got something different now, boy. We got the Cam SS fault. We got Cam SS out here, you hear me? Undisputed champion right now, you hear me? We gonna see who win this one. That thing ball. I think he got it, Chad. Alright, y'all, we got my nigga Ty. Ty finna goddamn hop in this motherfucker, you hear me? So, we gonna see what the business is.
Playing my game. Go back.
I think my nigga Ty got it, Chad. I ain't even being biased right now. I think that nigga got it. 170, the bunker lead. This is a one-on-one right here. A one-on-one. Bears green.